Are you overwhelmed with managing your photos and videos? Wish there is an easy way to organize, edit and share your memories? Say hello to Google Photos. In this video, we'll be diving into the powerful features of Google Photos and why it's an ultimate app for your photos and videos. So let's jump right into it. First off, storage. Google Photos automatically backs up your photos and videos to your Google account. With 15 GB of free storage, you will never have to worry about losing your precious memories. And if you need more space, upgrading is seamless and affordable. Let's head over to the profile icon and now we'll go to the account storage. And now we'll see the remaining storage that we have, and now we'll scroll down and it will filter out the largest in the storage, the blurry photos if at all you have, and screenshots plus other applications. Heading over to the search, have you ever tried looking for a photo maybe taken years ago? Google Photos has a powerful search feature that allows you find photos by people, places, or even objects in the image. Just type what you're looking for and Google Photos will do the rest. So heading over to the search, we'll come to the search icon and now we'll hover all over and we'll see the videos, screenshots, favorites and creations. But currently we're looking for the search. Let's try to search Harris. Yeah, that is me. Let's search for cars. Yeah, so those are the cars so far that we have. And let's search for graduation. Yeah, editing. Transform your photos with professional quality tools like filters, lighting adjustments, and more, all within the app. Whether you have a quick touch-up or a detailed edit, Google Photos has you covered. So we're gonna do some editing. First off, we're going to edit the photos. So let's tap the edit that icon. And now let's start by the dynamic. Let's enhance dynamic, enhance warm. Yeah, it looks warm. Then cool. It just depends on your interest. So use mobile data. I'm installing the editing tools if you didn't know. So this is the editing the video in a Google Photos. What we're gonna do is we're going to hit edit, and surprisingly we can crop our video, we can stabilize, we can enhance, we can export frame, we can increase speed, we can mute. Sharing and suggestions. Sharing is effortless with Google Photos. Send photos directly to your contacts via email, phone number, plus the app offers sharing suggestions so you never forget to share that group photo with friends. Automatic creation. Do you want your photos to come alive? Google Photos offers automatic creations like movies, collages, animations, and even paranormals made from the existing photos. It's like having a personal photo assistant. You just want to create an animated photo. So we'll just come right here, the plus icon, and now we'll go to animation and then select the images that you want to be animated. Let me select 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then I'll tap create. It's creating animation. There we are. That's the animation. It can also automatically create the collages and the others. Shared libraries. Need to share a collection of memories with someone special to you. With shared libraries, you can grant trusted people access to your photos perfect for family events and collaborative projects. Google Lens. Take your photos to the next level with Google Lens. Use it to copy and translate text, identify plants and animals, and even find information about landmarks right from your photos. So I'm gonna select any of the images right here. What I'm gonna do is let me select this book, and I'm gonna go to the Google Lens, and Google Lens will either search the similar results or translate, meaning it detects the text from our book or homework. But what we're trying to see here is we really need the text from this book. What we're gonna do, we shall go back, move back, and you'll see the option of copy text from the image. Select. You've copied the text from the image, or you can highlight, and now you can either listen or translate or copy. Listening, it's gonna bring out the sound of the text that you see from the book. And let's copy, let's listen.
Motorcyclists have little protection in the event of a crash, and many are killed and seriously injured on the road.
Let's stop. That's enough. Advanced features. Photo Unblur. Fix the slightly hazy photos with just one tap. Auto frame. Recompose your photo for a perfect shot. Portrait. Highlight your subject beautifully. Best take. Choose the best version of photo in just seconds. Audio magic eraser. Remove unwanted sound from your videos. Google Photos isn't just an app, it's your one-stop solution for organizing, editing, and sharing memories. So why wait? Download Google Photos and experience the magic you saw. Link is in the description. Leave a comment below of your favorite feature of Google Photos. And if you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to OneVTech. Thank you so much for watching. Until next time, blessings.